Hey guys, so you are with me in my journey of building this business live on my YouTube channel Zero to Unicorn. And आज के वीडियो में हम 3 बहुत important parameters figure out करने वाले हैं साथ में. So what we are going to do is 1, we are going to build a very important strategy. 2, we are going to build the pricing and the positioning system. And 3, we are going to build a team जो हमें इस business को lead करने में help करेगी, that too live on this YouTube channel. I hope you have watched my previous video. If not, सारी वीडियोस की लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. बट वेट, बिफोर यू गो एनीवेयर, मेक श्योर यू हैव हिट दैट सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक बटन. दिस चैनल जीरो टू यूनिकॉर्न इज फॉर डूअर्स एंड डिस्ट्रप्टर्स हु वांट्स टू बी इन दैट 1% ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here's a deal for y'all. If I get 500 likes and 500 startup names in the comments, I am going to shoot the next video of building it live, wherein I find the clients and I'll show you on camera what worked, what did work, and how we learned. So let's get started with the phase 1 of today's video. So basically what we are doing in this business is we are building a patient flow machine for our doctors. That is what ChatGPT suggested, right? And so we have to first figure out what we are going to offer them. That is a product, right? But before we even move on to the product, the most important thing of this business that we are going to set is our vision and our mission. So vision और mission ऐसे दो component होते हैं जो किसी भी business में, especially when I do any sort of business, I have eventually realized ये दो कंपोनेंट्स आपको पहले ही सेट करना बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज यही कंपोनेंट्स आप आपके टीम को बताने वाले हो. एंड योर कंप्लीट टीम और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन शुड बी फॉलोइंग सेम विजन एंड सेम मिशन, सो दैट यू गाइज मेक श्योर दैट यू आर ऑलवेज ऑन द सेम पेज जब भी आप कोई डिसीजन लो. सो इन दिस पर्टिकुलर बिल्डिंग इट इन पब्लिक एपिसोड, द विजन ऑफ आवर बिजनेस इज to earn 1 lakh rupees in next 30 to 45 days, right? So that is the vision, to earn 1 lakh rupees, Indian rupees, in around 30 to 45 days. And the mission is, most important mission is, especially in my scenario, guys, I really care for my reputation, because see, in the journey of building business takes a lot of time. बट ऐसा बहुत बार होता है कि कस्टमर्स ने आपको या क्लाइंट्स ने आपको 1 साल पहले रीच आउट किया था, बट दे विल अगेन कम बैक टू यू and will be ready to pay for your service or product only because of your reputation in the market, only because of what other people talk about you in the market. So my mission is to create a very high value service business for doctors, because I didn't want to hamper my reputation. Secondly, most important part over here is, when I say high value, I will try to over deliver than whatever I am doing. So what is our mission? To create a high value business, because we don't want to play with our reputation. And most important thing is over deliver. Over deliver is important because over delivery से क्या होगा? आपको दूसरा कस्टमर ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, तो आपको दूसरे क्लाइंट्स ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. आप straight your client will be retained, your retention will grow eventually very high. तो what time आप जो invest कर रहे हो to get a single client, you will be able to retain them for the longest period of time, or rather forever, and जिसकी वजह से आपकी बहुत सारी repeat मेहनत बच जाएगी. So this is the first thing. Now the next important, that is part of building in phase 1, that is we are building a product, okay, building a product. अभी ये बहुत ज़्यादा आपको confusion होगा कि हम तो patient flow machine बनाने वाले हैं, या तो we are building some service business for doctors. Then why I am talking about product? See, there is something called as productized service. अभी productized service का मतलब ये होता है कि ऐसी सर्विस जो एक पैकेज्ड फॉर्म में with set scope of work is sold to your clients or customers. इससे फायदा क्या होता है? First important फायदा is you can replicate it. Your team can replicate it very well. आप ये हर बार आप ही को सेल नहीं करना पड़ेगा. You can get it done from the team, because your productized service and the cost will remain the same for every customer. The package will remain the same for every customer. Second, it is easier to work on the feedbacks. जब आपको feedback मिलता है, तो instead of doing the change for one customer, you will analyze, investigate and do the change for all the customers. Eventually आपका because of the feedback loop, your overall productized service keep on improving. And तीसरा फायदा ये होता है कि आप हमेशा you can set your cost price very well. अगर आपकी प्रोडक्टाइज सर्विस नहीं होती है तो आपको ये पता नहीं कि इस कस्टमर पे मेरा कितना स्पेंड हो रहा है टू गिव हिम दिस पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस, और दूसरे कस्टमर या क्लाइंट पे मेरा कितना स्पेंड हो रहा है. सो इफ यू नो दैट XYZ इज द पैकेज साइज ऑफ माय सर्विस, यू आर स्पेंडिंग X/10 फॉर वन कस्टमर, राइट, व्हिच इज इजी फॉर यू टू देन keep a track of your expenditure or rather your financials. So what I talked about is one, I talked about what are the benefits of having a productized service. Okay, productized service. Now, next important criteria that we are going to focus on is the price point of this business. So when I talk about price point, हम इस business के लिए 3 price point set करने वाले हैं. Price point A, price point B and price point C. Now, why am I setting 3 price point with different features? Because according to consumer psychology or customer psychology, अगर आपके businesses में 3 price point है, it is natural tendency that your customer will buy the second price point or the price point which lies in the center of both the price points. Why? Because उनको बहुत cheap भी नहीं चाहिए with less service, और उनको बहुत expensive वाला भी नहीं चाहिए which their brain perceives. So that is the reason when you go in any, I would say, आप KFC में जाओ, आप McD's में जाओ, if you go for KFC के popcorn chicken, you will have 3 price point. And if you notice, the maximum sale is for the center one. So that is the exact price point that they want to sell. And just to trick the consumer in a good way, here you're not scamming people. Understand, there is a difference between scamming and using psychology to sell things right. So you are selling things right so that it is easier for them to take decision and take better decision. So we have 3 price points over here. Price point A, price point B and price point C. Ab A, since we want 1 lakh rupees from 5 doctors, so on an average we have to earn around 20k per doctor, right? So we have to keep price point B as 20k, right? Price point A should be little lower than 20k, which is around 10k, and price point C can be around 25k. अब इस केस में हम what are the services that we are providing? Now, according to ChatGPT, who helped us in building the business idea from scratch using the prompts. If you have not seen those videos, you can check all the videos of this series in the description, linked in the description. Also, you can check the playlist of Building It Live series 1, wherein you will get to know जो day 1 से हमने videos बनाए हैं, wherein we have built the businesses live. Now, so price point A, 20k, according to ChatGPT, talked about you should give the doctor a CRM, you should give these doctors some content creation machine kind of thing, because being consistent on social media is difficult and social media is important. And third, this ChatGPT talked about is patient flow, something which will help them get more number of leads that can be packaged as one and given to the doctors. Now, in case, let me tell you. So, after my research, okay, I was researching a lot on these topics. So, what I know, कि अभी जो, especially for doctors, if you see any sponsored ad, the chances of clicking on that ad reduces. Why? Because people are aware कि जब हमने sponsor किया है, that means they are paying for that ads and they might not have good reviews, and that is the reason they are paying for those ads, right? So we will not sell Google ads to doctor. We will sell, point number 1 is our content machine. Content machine, that too for Instagram Reels, which will get them some organic customers or organic clients. Then we will also sell them CRM. Now for CRM also, I would say I don't want to give them something substandard in terms of an application, because 1, any application won't fit into this budget. 2, if I try to squeeze in any sort of application into this particular budget, it will be not worthwhile. So my high value commission will drop down. So I want to provide something high value. So what I can give them is WhatsApp CRM. WhatsApp CRM means what? So basically we will kind of make a system, or we will get an expert on table who can create a system for us through which we can make a patient, so kind of when a doctor gives prescription, it should directly go on patient's WhatsApp automation system, wherein the patient, the doctor and the team are linked with each other through WhatsApp, and all the notifications and messages like prescriptions, reports, reminders for follow-ups, everything can be automated by the team of the doctor so that the patient comes next. So in this way, what we are trying to do is we are trying to increase the repeatability of the same client. Because according to my experience, most of the doctors, if they have good number of leads, they are not able to follow, kind of follow up with respect to the follow-up appointments, which is important. So there should be some system which is automated. So we are going to automate it using WhatsApp. And the third important thing that we are going to give them is, as I said, we won't give them Google Ads का package. एक तो fit नहीं होगा इस बजट में, दूसरा उस अगर फिट किया भी जबरदस्ती तो उसकी क्वालिटी बहुत ड्रॉप हो जाएगी. तो इवन इफ वी आर एबल टू सेल दिस टू द डॉक्टर्स इनिशियली, वी विल इवेंचुअली लूज आवर क्लाइंट्स, but we want to give them something high value and worthwhile. So what we will do is, every clinic or every doctor has a Google My Business profile. So we will give them an optimization package wherein we will optimize their Google My Business profile in such a way that their organic ranking increases in next 3 months, and they can actually see it through some metric. Because if I go and tell them कि हाँ आपका organic ranking increase हो जाएगा, they won't buy my words. But if I tell them, I will show you through metrics कि आपका कैसे growth हो रहा है, and if they see the growth, they will be retained as a customer in this business. So next we are giving them is GMB optimization package. Okay, so these are the 3 things that we will sell them under this budget. Price point A, B and C. अब हमें ये figure out करना है A में क्या रखना है, B में what should be the package, C में what should be the package. That is, A is for 10,000 rupees, B 20k and C 25k. All right. So that was the phase 1 of building the product. So we are going to move on to the next phase of the business, that is phase 2, which is about building a team. Now you will say that why don't I do this business all alone? मुझे जब इतना कम capital है, that is only 50,000 working capital, that's what I have. Why do I need a team? So understand one thing, day one को आपको definitely लगेगा कि yes, I can do it all. But eventually as an entrepreneur, we get burned out. This is out of my personal experience. So it is important to get right people on the table at the right time. Because as the business grows, they also learn growth story, they know the growth story, and at the end of everything, you have a great team who can replicate the work without your presence. So इस वजह से हम key man risk को eliminate करते हैं. So what is key man risk over here? Key man risk का मतलब ये होता है कि जो business है, अगर एक ही इंसान पे dependent है, एक ही इंसान है जो marketing भी कर रहा है, जो product भी design कर रहा है, product create भी कर रहा है, coordination भी कर रहा है, and eventually they are selling also. So here this business is 100% dependent on this one person. और अगर एक दिन की भी छुट्टी वो बंदे ने ले ली, so eventually you will end up marking leave for 4 people because वो एक इंसान 4 लोगों का काम कर रहा था, and all your clients will be affected. We don't want that. We want at any point of given time there is somebody to always answer questions for your client, and your business grows without your 100% involvement. Although business is a 24/7 job, but it is important to put right people in right place. So let's see what we need. So when I say building a team, हम लोगों को 3 लोगों की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. Why? Because we want somebody to create content. So maybe we can have a video editor, okay, create content, okay. Then we want somebody for WhatsApp CRM. तो अभी इस case में we will need a software developer. Do you think software developers will fit, full-time software developers will fit in the budget of 50,000 rupees? No. And 3, we need GMB optimization package. So what we will do is, when we are building a team, the first step that we are going to do is, we are going to onboard expert, time-tested freelancers as your team members. So first person that we are going to onboard is your video editor, who will be a freelancer. Second person you're going to onboard is a WhatsApp or a CRM company, which is again maybe a company, or as a freelancer you can onboard them. Generally you will need to reach out to different product existing in the market, क्योंकि अगर आप किसी को scratch से भी बनाने बोलो WhatsApp CRM, so they might charge a lot of money. So what we will do is, we will hunt online that who are giving very good products for doctors, as in for WhatsApp clinic. And the third thing is, we will need another team member who will do GMB optimization. Okay. Now यहाँ पर you have to understand one more important thing is कि तीनों का very smooth coordination with the client is also very important. So we will have one more person in this team that is an assistant. So now in this scenario, since I don't have an office, okay, in this scenario, as in for this particular business, I don't have an office. I'm not going to use anybody from my existing team. And third most important thing is, I want to build it under the budget of 50,000 rupees only. I don't want to use my existing team, so I won't be involving them. So yes, for this assistant also, we don't have an office, right? We will get a virtual assistant for this. What these virtual assistants will do, they will basically coordinate between the clients, video editor, WhatsApp guys, GMB optimizers, and everybody else. And most importantly, there will be one point of contact always there for your clients, even if you are busy building up the next chapter of the business. That was the first part of building a team. Now, I have already मैंने ये figure out कर लिया मुझे किन लोगों को onboard करना है. अब most important चीज़ है मैं ये लोगों को कहाँ से ढूंढूं. So first important site that I recommend 50-50. मुझे पर्सनल लेवल पे आज तक 1 to 2 times ही good experience आए हैं. But yes, we are going to try that website, that is Upwork. Second, so let's go on Upwork. The other day, I had already created a post for this profile on Upwork. So what is the post that I had created? Yeah, तो मैंने ये job post बनाई थी, which is lead generation specialist for doctors. So what did I write? We are seeking a patient lead generator based through Google Business in Pune to help doctors acquire new patients. The ideal candidate should be patient, detail oriented, and possess. Patient means not that patient. They should have some patience and possess strong communication skills. Your primary responsibility will include generating 20 high quality patient leads per month in Pune. If you have a passion for helping healthcare providers grow their practice, we would love to hear from you. So I have kept the fixed price as $100. You know what will be the equated amount in Indian currency for $100. It will be around 8,000 rupees, 8,000, 9,000 rupees for this complete task for 1 month. Okay. So yes, I have received a couple of proposals, but when I was going through this proposal, somewhere down the line, I was like, let's also try one more platform, which is now Facebook groups. So I am ranking from the worst to the best, okay? So Upwork was not that great. Then we have Facebook groups, but we should not leave any stone unturned. So you can go on Facebook groups and post about the same, copy paste the post and post it on the Facebook group. Be very specific about what you want, and also remember, don't put the amount in the Facebook group. You should put some range on it, because it is always good to shortlist right people based on range. And the third important thing is you will be able to negotiate better if you put the range of amount. And the third thing that we can go up to is different groups, founders group on WhatsApp, or WhatsApp groups basically, wherein you can post these things. So you can post on WhatsApp groups, but a trick, whenever you post on a WhatsApp group, don't ask for, I'm looking for someone doing this. No, ask for, we are looking for XYZ profile. If you have any good reference, please send me the details. Now, in this way, you will be sure that whatever details are sent to you are through reference, and you can cross-verify what kind of work they have already done with other clients. So you will make sure that this particular vendor onboarded in your business is good enough for your client. Because trust me, you don't have any trial and error in this business, because you're building a team for your client. You will have one more question, that after watching this video, let's say when we are building this business live, let's say if some doctor watches the same video to whom I'm selling this business, won't they simply go and connect with the team? They wouldn't. I'll tell you why. Because as an individual, I want good service. I don't care if you get it, if you yourself do it, or if you get it done by somebody. Eventually, as a customer or a client, I want good service. That's all. And one more thing, if we are providing multiple, since it's a business that we are creating, which is called as an aggregator model business. अब aggregator model का मतलब ये होता है कि, for example, Zomato is connected with hotels and they are connected with clients. Now उनके पास खाना है, now उनके clients हैं. So what they are doing is they are just delivering the food from the hotels to clients. So they are being a middleman, and then eventually they have productized their service through fixed price point, right? Similar model that we are working on. तो इस केस में क्लाइंट को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. क्लाइंट को पता है कि Zomato is a middleman, still they will order, or Swiggy is a middleman, or Blinkit is a middleman. But इस केस में उनको सर्विस क्वालिटी की मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रिक्वायरमेंट है. So you have to be very sure that your team is great with service, one. Two, if you have too many clients, you know that your team is earning a great amount of revenue from your business. तो अगर एक client के साथ भी उन्होंने or they are not providing great service, you can suspend your contract with all the other 5 clients that you have. So it's a big loss for them. अगर उन्होंने आपके साथ कुछ what we say unethical behavior किया with your client, but if the client individually connects to these people, अगर इस क्लाइंट के साथ अगर कुछ गड़बड़ होता है, इवन इफ दिस फ्रीलांसर लूजेस दिस क्लाइंट, इट इज एब्सोल्युटली ओके फॉर देम, एक ही क्लाइंट जाएगा, बट आपके साथ उनके 5 क्लाइंट्स चले जाएंगे. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी, दे विल एंड अप प्रोवाइडिंग द बेस्ट ऑफ द सर्विस, और इन योर सिनेरियो, even if these doctors or any of the person directly goes to this team. So you are building an aggregator model business through productized service. I hope I'm very clear until here. So now we are done with the second phase of building this business. अब हम तीसरे और most important phase of building this business, or rather strategizing this business, which is building a system. आपके पास प्रोडक्ट है, आपके पास टीम है, और आपको systems बनाने हैं ताकि चीज़ें अपने आप right time पर हो जाए. Obviously, you need to get involved थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ वहाँ to correct if things are not done, but eventually your team members should know what is the next step they do, and that will only happen by building a right system. So we have come to the third phase of this business, which is the most important phase, as in building right systems. So we devised a strategy to find the team members, to be devised a strategy कि हम लोग product कैसे बनाएं, and अभी हमको बनाना है systems. Why we are building system is ताकि हम जो काम कर रहे हैं वो easily execute हो, उसकी quality maintain हो, and जो आप टीम मेंबर्स ऑनबोर्ड कर रहे हो उनके पास कोई पैरामीटर्स हो, और या फिर दे शुड हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ टारगेट्स व्हिच विल हेल्प देम फिगर आउट कि व्हाट इज माय ग्रोथ अ प्रोफेशनल वर्किंग विद देम, एंड व्हिच विल हेल्प यू फिगर आउट वेदर दिस टीम मेंबर इज वर्थ इट और नॉट. सो वी आर गोइंग टू बिल्ड सिस्टम्स. So my strategy of building system is I always think from my client's perspective what they need. So first important thing for them is a very good point of contact. And since we are building this business from scratch, इस point of time पे हम जो team है उनको, so जो clients है, so there can be a WhatsApp coordination group for virtual assistant plus your client plus you. ये बस initial setup के लिए ठीक है. If we are scaling up this business, definitely we need to figure out some concrete solution to this thing. Why? Because अगर day one में if I get any software in place, it will cost me money which I have in a limited amount, और मुझे इसको बहुत judiciously use करना है just to improve the productized service. Second thing that I'm going to talk about is progress tracker. So when I say progress tracker is a document, a simple Excel sheet जो हम बनाएंगे for Google guy, Google as in जो who is managing your Google SEO optimization, for the person who is managing WhatsApp integration, for the person who is the video editor who is managing your video editing of the doctors. Now performance trackers दो type के होंगे. The first of performance tracker will be client performance tracker. So ये Excel sheet ऐसी होगी या progress tracker होगी जिसमें which will be shared with the client as well, ताकि उनको पता रहे हम क्या कर रहे हैं, किस point of time पे कर रहे हैं. But let me tell you, nobody will open that Excel sheet and check. इसीलिए आपको make sure करना है कि your team coordinates with the client on WhatsApp as well, especially for Indian audience और Indian customers. वो लोगों को ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि आप Excel से आप email करो, WhatsApp करो, ultimately आप काम करो. If you're working internationally, yes, there are protocols कि you have to mail first, then you will call, or you have to take appointments. Indian customers के लिए वो थोड़ा tedious हो जाता है because they have a habit of 5-minute service, and you can't break that habit right now. तो अगर क्लाइंट को ऐसे लगे कि उनकी क्वेरी बहुत लेट एड्रेस हो रही है, सो इट विल बी अ प्रॉब्लम. लेकिन देयर विल बी अ फीडबैक लूप व्हिच विल हेल्प अस बिल्ड अ सिस्टम इन सच अ वे दैट आर पार एंड देयर इज कांस्टेंट प्रोग्रेस दैट इज शोन टू द क्लाइंट, सो दैट द क्लाइंट फील्स that we are providing very high value and which they can see through the metrics and through the numbers, right? So first is client progress tracker and second is your team progress tracker. Team progress tracker can be your in-house document Now, in detail, I will be sharing it with you when I actually get the team finalized and I build this progress tracker live on my Excel sheet. मैं definitely आपके साथ ये screenshot share करने वाली हूँ. And if you guys want to actually see the messy part of building this business, that is cold calling या फिर rejections, do follow my Instagram handle. We have clipped few parts and we are posting it over there. So yes, this was all about progress tracker. Second thing that we have to build is one review system. Review system as in there should be a review in-house meeting and there should be a review meeting done by the virtual assistant for the client. तो वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट का काम ये है कि हर रोज एक क्लाइंट के साथ रिव्यू मीटिंग कंडक्ट करनी है जिसमें यू विल शो व्हाट हैज ग्रोन, you will show what has improved, you will show where you need their help, you will show because हमारा यहाँ पे content create करना है, reels बनाने हैं, तो you have to tell them, you have to give them scripts, you have to give them ideas कि ऐसी reel shoot करनी है. Maybe you can connect them with one of your connects of videographer also. इस केस में क्या होगा, since you have a good credibility with them, you will also kind of give them some additional contacts which will help them to grow their business, create the right content. So review meeting with the client with virtual assistant, you won't be involved in it unless and until there is an emergency or there is kind of red alert that client is disturbed and you need to figure out a solution to a big problem. But there should be a review meet. You cannot, will not start with weekly review meet, we'll start with 15 days review meet. And this review meet should not be more than 5 minutes if not requested by client, but if requested by client, we can take it for 10-15 minutes, whatever time they want to get their doubts cleared. And second review meet will be with your group members every week, once in a week. So now here I'm going to calculate कि मेरा time involvement कितना जाएगा ये business build करने में. So I am going to invest, let's say 45 minutes per day to strategize, plan, cold call and things like that. 45 minutes to 1 hour per day. Plus I'm going to spend on review meets for around 1 hour every week. Plus I'm going to spend on client feedback and kind of review directly with the client once in a month or twice in a month for around, let's say 1.5 hours. So as the business owner or as an entrepreneur, I am going to end up spending 1 hour for 6 days, 6 for the 24, 25, 26. So around 26 to 27 hours per month on this business alone. Okay. So here, when I'm setting up price points, I am going to add, this is a cost price of our product price service. I am going to add my salary as 5,000 rupees per month to start with. And then we will also figure out what these vendors are charging us. So that was all about the first phase of building this business live, जिसमें हमने पूरी strategy बना ली है, first phase, second phase, third phase. Next video में we are going to call up and create our minimum viable product. अब मिनिमम वायबल प्रोडक्ट का मतलब ये होता है हम एक छोटा सा सर्वे कंडक्ट करेंगे with few of my known friends who are doctors and figure out कि जो प्रोडक्टाइज सर्विस में सेल करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ will they think of buying that, जिससे हमें उनका honest feedback मिलेगा because they know me very well and they will be bluntly answering my questions, so they won't play the game of maybe being over formal because they know me, they are my friends. So we can call them up, we can maybe give them a hypothetical scenario and do the live calling and survey. So this is how we will create our final price point and final product. Also, we are going to figure out the team members in the next video, and all the clips of cold calling and messages will be uploaded on Zero to Unicorn Instagram handle. So don't forget to check that out. Until then, see you next to build this business live with me. Have a great